Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, September 6th, 2023. Feels more like August 6th right now. I know a lot of people are sending their kids back to school into some very hot and humid conditions today, with temperatures already ranging from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s in many of your suburbs, upper 70s to lower 80s in your urban areas, with winds light and variable over the interior from the northwest around 5 miles per hour along the coast. And we also have some areas of patchy fog, especially in your valley areas where visibility is below 2 miles, like around Poughkeepsie and around Allentown. And along the coast is more of a mix of sun and clouds throughout the region. When we take a look at our latest surface map and radar from WeatherTap, you can see a series of troughs hanging around the region, but no precipitation, with high pressure generally in control. This cold front back here, this is the beginning of the end of our hot and humid weather pattern, but we traded off with an unsettled weather pattern with the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms starting tomorrow evening and continuing on through this upcoming weekend. So yeah, this weekend, if you have outdoor plans, I would have a backup, perhaps a rain check, and definitely the plan of maybe moving indoors if you need to. It's not going to be a total washout, but these scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be capable of producing some very heavy downpours. So let's dive into our forecast. And of course, yes, I do want to mention we have a tropical storm Lee. Let me pull that up real fast here. Okay, so here's Lee. 65 mile per hour winds. As you can see, it's out in the central Atlantic. It's likely to become a hurricane this afternoon. You're going to hear about this storm quite a bit, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be talking about it quite a bit tonight at 8 p.m. with our live chat. There's a lot of uncertainty what happens after Sunday with the track of our storm. A lot of mild guidance takes us out, no big deal. But there are a few solutions that gets this storm a little bit too close for comfort for our neck of the woods. So here's what I suggest. Look, prepare. Just prepare right now. You should be anyway, because we're heading into nor'easter season. So have your batteries, have your non-perishable food prepared. Make sure that you have that already stocked, ready to go. Make sure your batteries are brand new and not crusty and old. Make sure you have flashlights, all the things you should get prepared for as we move into nor'easter season anyway, you should do for this situation. And I wouldn't go any further beyond that. I'm sure you're going to hear a lot of shock and awe over the next couple of days, for clicks. But trust me, we have a lot to work out here, and this is more than 10 days away, so a lot can change. But in the meantime, we'll be keeping an eye on Lee as it tracks towards the northern coastal waters of the Greater Antilles. So let's dive into our forecast. So for today, hazy, hot, and humid continuing, with temperatures rising into the upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 90s in your urban areas and around the Delaware River Valley. Use caution with that heat index pushing around 100 degrees. Drink plenty of water and try to stay cool. If you exhibit any type of heat sickness, where you feel dizzy, you're tired, your heart's beating real fast, please get into a cool location and seek medical help, because a heat stroke is not anything to take lightly. For tonight into tomorrow morning, again, hazy, foggy in some areas, especially in your valley locations, muggy. Low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, an increase in cloud cover with a few showers and thunderstorms starting to break out, more towards the eastern Pennsylvania than anywhere else. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 90s in your Delaware River Valley and in your urban areas, again with an enhanced heat index. Tomorrow evening, scattered showers and thunderstorms start to become more widespread, but I think the focus will be from the Delaware River Valley into eastern Pennsylvania and over the interior, like the Poconos, Catskills, locations like that. Those showers and thunderstorms will continue to meander around the region into Friday morning, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. In the afternoon hours, as the cold front gets a little bit closer, look for scattered showers and thunderstorms to develop, with high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s over the interior and along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, the cold front stalls over the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms and a mix of sun and clouds. This is not a complete washout, but just be on guard, because where those thunderstorms hit, they will be capable of some very heavy downpours, tropical downpours in a way. Look for temperatures to range on Saturday from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the interior and along the coast, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, the cold front stalls over the region with, again, the constant threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms, muggy conditions. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. But high temperatures, as that cold front slips off the coast and we get a little bit more cold air transport, will support high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the interior and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. So much better than the mid to upper 90s, that's for sure. On Monday, the frontal boundary slips off the coast with still a few isolated lingering showers and mix of sun and clouds are expected. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. On Tuesday, scattered cloud cover is expected with showers developing towards the evening hours. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, an area low pressure and cold front will move through the region with waves of showers and thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley, and mid to upper 70s along the coast. So, I'm sure you'll notice this right here. This, again, is Lee at this point, forecasted to be a major hurricane. And then you have your cold front boundary here. The idea is that this cold front boundary will allow Lee to get kicked out into the Atlantic, but we'll have to keep an eye on it. We'll talk about this more tonight at 8 p.m. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.